Hello student, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to explain the Arduino UNO board and its pin in a very simple way. This video is perfect for beginners. When you see the Arduino UNO board, it might seem a bit confusing. There are so many pins and circuits. So I'm going to explain you what are these pins for and what these circuits do. Let's start from this side. If you see closely, at the bottom of these pins, there are numbers written from 0 till 13. And this one is GND. GND stands for ground. These are called digital pins. They work in just two states, 0 and 1. 0 means off and 1 means on. You can use these pins to control LED buzzers as an output, as well as also use as, as an input to read digital sensors. So you can connect the sensor and you can also get the reading from that sensor by these pins. If you look closely, you will notice that there are some numbers have line in front of it. Those numbers are 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. These are PWN pins. PWN stand for pulse width modulation, which can simulate analog output. These pins can use for both digital and analog connection. For example, if you want to dim an LED or run motor in a slow speed, at that time we use these pins. Now I will explain you about this chip. This chip called USB to serial chip. So what this chip do? Whenever you upload a code from your computer to your Arduino UNO, this chip help to transfer the data and communicate it with the main board. It basically translate your code and communicate it to your main board. Now, if you see over here, this is a main board. We also call it microcontroller. Actually, it's the brain of the Arduino UNO. It's run your code and control pins based on the instruction you give it. Now, on this side, these pins, if you see, it's written analog in. These are analog pins. It's labeled from A0 to A5. It's read analog signals from sensor, transforming variable voltage in a different voltage into digital values. So it's take the reading from the sensors and change it to digital readings for Arduino to understand. You can use sensors like temperature sensors, because in temperature sensors you will get different readings, or a light sensor. On this side you will find some like 5 volt ground, two ground pins VN and 3.3 volt pin. For now, this pins you can, if you want to connect any sensors with the 5 volt, you can connect that sensor directly giving 5 volt to that sensor, or 3.3 volts. Ground pin, as I already told you, I don't think so. I told you. So ground pin is basically when you connect, you make a circuit, you give a positive to one side, and put the LED in the middle, and a resistor, and other side to complete that circuit, we have to connect the other side to the ground. So this ground is over here to complete the circuit. Okay, what is V in pin? You can power your Arduino Uno board by the external battery of our power supply with this pin. Okay, now this jack, it's the power providing jack. You can connect your adapter with this. If you see over here, it's adapter pin. So you can connect your external adapter and give the power to the Arduino Uno board. Now this is a USB port. It's usually you will transfer your data through this port, give the power to your Arduino board with this port. So it's work in a both way. I hope everything is clear now. In the next video, we will build a simple circuit and I will show you how easy it is to write code for your Arduino Uno. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.